In the heart of the ancient forest, the trees whispered secrets of a time when humans and nature were one. A lone wanderer, drawn by the eerie harmony, stumbled upon a clearing where the ground pulsed like a living heart. Roots coiled around his feet, pulling him into the earth's embrace. As he sank, visions of a world where humans were mere nutrients for the forest flashed before his eyes. The forest thrived, a testament to the balance of life and death. Just as he was about to be consumed, a chilling realization struck him. He was the forest's next meal.